Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I am running a little bit behind this morning. I was really tired. So yeah, it's 8:40 right now. Normally I would have already put on my makeup for the day. I would already be sitting down at my desk working, but I'm not. I honestly have no idea why I'm so tired because I actually fell asleep pretty early last night, early for me. And I slept pretty much all night, so I'm not really sure why I'm so tired. I think it's one of those things where when you have more sleep than you normally do, your body's like, what is this? And you're just really tired because of it, you know? Anyway, pushing through. I'm gonna go get my coffee and go finish editing. Or wait, I should eat breakfast. Maybe I'll eat a snack. I'm not really feeling like making breakfast right now, so maybe I'll just eat a snack and have breakfast in a little bit. I got my snack, which is one of these. It's Whole30. I try not to eat them a lot because, you know, they want you to eat real food. But sometimes I'm just not in the mood to cook right now, so I still need something. I have my coffee, my iced coffee here. And in case you're wondering, I can't have dairy because you can't have dairy on the Whole30, but there is a type of almond milk that I can have, and also they have the nut pod creamers, which I can have also. So that's what I've been putting in my coffee, in case you were wondering. All that to say, I have my coffee, I have my snack. I'm gonna go finish editing the vlog from yesterday, and then we are gonna get on to actual sticker work today. Okay, I just bought clip art for five new kits, and I'm so excited about it. So I will tell you guys the theme because that could be fun. So we have a Mother's Day kit, which is what you just saw me working on. There's a sunflower theme. There's another lemonade theme because I'm obsessed with lemons. And it was really cute, so I had to. There's a summer beach pool party sort of thing. There's a boho beach theme, which I'm not a big boho person, but I did think the clip art was really cute and figured I'd try it out. So was that all of them? I think that was all of them. I just realized that I bought clip art from another shop that I didn't mean to because it was in my cart, and I guess I just didn't click check out from this shop only, so I purchased something else. But it's okay, I think I can still use this, but I do need to go back and get the digital papers for it, and I just need to make sure I can get the licensing for it. So I guess I have six new kit ideas. And then I also think I'm gonna bring back pretty much everything from last year. I really loved the summer kits we had last year, And I know that I've gotten a lot of new followers, so you may not have like seen those last year, or maybe you know, last year, I feel like last year in the planning world was really weird because the kits that you would have normally used, we couldn't use because of life and everything going on. But I feel like this year, hopefully, we'll be able to use those kits and enjoy them to the fullest. So I think I'm gonna bring back, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7, at least 7 that I'm bringing back, but I probably will bring back a couple more as well. So there's like 7 and then 6 new ones for this. So that is really, really exciting. I'm really pumped to bring all of these. I've just got to get like in my design. I mean, I've been designing, so I've been in my like design, you know, focused, whatever. But pretty pumped about that. So I think this week I'm just gonna release 3, and then maybe for my next new release at the end of the month, I'll bring back all the kits and then I don't know. I still have to like figure this out because I wasn't expecting to go on and find like 6 new kit ideas. I was, you know, just trying to find like 1 for today, and I found 6. So I don't know when they're all gonna be released, but I definitely know that 2 of them are gonna be released this week for new releases with the watermelon kit that I bring back. So, and if I have time, I might bring back a couple more. I was thinking about bringing back the beach themed one and the tropical one. So yeah, actually I'll just show you guys the ones that I'm planning on bringing back. Hang on, I gotta X out of all this stuff. And you let me know. I'll tell you the name of the kit and you let me know in the comments below which one you want to see come back. Okay guys, so here are the kits that I'm thinking about bringing back. This one was one of my favorites. I love the colors in this kit, and it's just got such a like Hawaii tropical sort of vibe to it. So this one's called Paradise, and this was like the second most requested one that I bring back behind Watermelon. Then we have Sunset. So again, this one's just like a pretty, it's got like kind of your tropical vibes to it, and I just thought it was really pretty. And my sister actually just used this kit in her planner this week, and when I saw it I was like, oh yeah, I definitely need to bring that one back because it's really pretty. This one's called Sandcastles. It's just like a fun like sandcastle. I feel like these are perfect for like trips and like vacations, so hopefully that is something that we're able to do in 2021. But yeah, so this one's Sandcastles. This one you guys saw me reformat yesterday, so this one is coming back, but the full boxes do look a little bit different. So this is Watermelon. Then we have Tropical Vibes. This one was my all-time favorite one from last year. Like, that doesn't make sense, all-time favorite one from last year, but it was my favorite one last year. I wanted to use this for our Hawaii cruise last year, but that obviously didn't happen. So I'm hoping that I can use it for our Hawaii cruise that's scheduled for next year. So fingers crossed everything is good to go next year and we can actually go on our trip. But this one, the colors are so pretty, the pictures are so pretty. I just love this one. This one is Beach Life, and it's just our beach kit. I think this one's really pretty too, and I'm definitely gonna go to the beach sometime this summer, so this would be perfect for that. And then the last one is Summer Nights, and this is more of like a camping sort of kit, but I do really like it. And if you're kind of outdoorsy or just like want a good camping kit, this one would be perfect. So if you want me to bring it back, let me know. But those are all the kits that I'm thinking about bringing back. So those are all the kits that I'm thinking about bringing back. Let me know in the comments below like which ones you want. If you want all of them, just say all of them. But if there's like specific ones, you know, just say like Paradise, Tropical Vibes, Beach Life, Watermelon, Summer Nights, Sandcastle, Sunset, whichever one you liked, let me know. So I'm definitely thinking about bringing back all of those, to be honest, but like, I don't know yet. So there's a couple that I'm like, I don't know, but Watermelon's definitely coming back because my Facebook group voted on it, and their second favorite was Paradise. So I'm pretty sure that one will come back, and I really want all the photo kits to come back because I'm a big photo kit person. Like, I really love photo kits, so I'm definitely thinking about bringing them back. Definitely Beach Life and Tropical Vibes. I don't know about Summer Nights. That one I might just not bring back. But Tropical Vibes and Beach Life, the only reason I discontinued them last year is because I knew I was changing the format. Otherwise,
I love them and they should be in my shop year round, you know?
Okay guys, I don't know if you can tell because the lighting is kind of weird in here, but this kit is so beautiful. I love it so much. And I think it's just perfect for a Mother's Day kit, but it doesn't include people because with this clip art, there was like, you could do like a little boy, a little girl, all the different moms, all the different hair types. And it was just kind of overwhelming. So it's kind of fun to try to get like it to look cute without putting people in it. But also the people, I don't know, I wasn't a fan of that clip art with this. So it's like really nice to have it like this, and I think it's just so cute and so like fun and floral, but it still has like the Mother's Day elements. Like I love this one, like the breakfast in bed sort of thing, and I just think it's really cute. So anyway, this one is coming to the shop on Friday along with watermelon and another kit that I have yet to design, but I'm pretty excited because I'm gonna be able to get this collection done today. And then I think I'm gonna print and cut both watermelon and the Mother's Day kit, so that way I can start like doing the pictures and the listings and whatever. This is the hard part about doing new releases, is I'm like, now that I've done this, maybe I should do like a million other kits, but I'm gonna hold myself to just the 3 new kits because otherwise it just gets overwhelming. I definitely don't want to overwhelm myself, even though I know I could design a ton more. But because I was in such a creative rut, I don't want to like overwhelm myself. So I want to just make sure that I keep it a little bit smaller for this release until I get back into the swing of things. But I am loving this kit. I'm loving it so, so much. So I'm going to go do the other pages and get that done. And then I'm going to print and cut them and have them ready. Actually, I might not cut them because I realized that I cut something for myself the other day, or yesterday I think, and my machines were kind of deciding that they weren't gonna cut right, so I'm gonna have James look at them. I don't know if he'll be able to do it tonight, hopefully he will, and then I'm gonna print and cut them because I don't want to print and cut something and then it not cut right and I have to throw it in the oops bag if I already know that my machines are messed up, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey guys, so I'm not sure the last thing that I vlogged. I failed a little bit today, but we went to the church, filmed the video for the week, and now we are home and it is like 9 o'clock. We're just gonna chill and watch a movie. I think James has to like do his video for the day, so he's gonna do that. I think he's gonna play video games, but I'm just gonna chill. So that's probably gonna wrap up today. I just completely failed at vlogging the second half of the day, but it happens. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as that bell notification, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.